Good morning, folks. Welcome to the briefing on the first of the month. December's here already. Well, been some interesting weather last month or so. More flying than normally is in November, and let's hope December's the same. But we're in a very, I think I said yesterday, changeable weather patterns. Definitely a westerly influence to everything at the moment. No evidence of high pressure moving from here and settling over us. So whatever you see out in the Atlantic is what you're going to get in a day or 2, 3 days time. At the moment, this low pressure drifting away southeast, and it's still dragging down sort of frontal systems and troughs during the day. So this cold front here is the one that went through first thing this morning. Bits of heavy rain on it. And then we're in a northwesterly airflow with trough lines, isolated showers, and another front, which looks like it's going to get here at the end of the day, pretty much when it's dark. So it won't really affect us, but we're in this sort of air mass here. You see the spacing on the isobars fairly tight, so pretty windy, certainly at heights, fairly windy. The TAFs are suggesting, and Farnborough's have sort of changed over the last hour. Westerly 12 knots, scattered at 3,000 feet, and I think it will be cloud at varying heights during the day, and then going round to 340, 10 knots later in the day. And that's what they're saying, sometime between 16 and 1800 hours, we're getting the showers of rain broken at 1,200 feet. Their sort of gust forecast has disappeared out, but Gatwick and Heathrow have still got it there, so they're saying 290, 15 gusting 25, and I think Heathrow was saying 15 gusting 26, yeah, down there. So I think it will be fairly breezy today, fairly gusty. The upper winds appear to be, certainly with a couple of forecasts I've looked at, 30 plus knots from the northwest. So you can see in the box here, 1,000 feet it's 30, 2,000 feet 35, and 5,000 feet 40, and 300 to 320 degrees. So northwesterly 30 plus knots seems about right. Satpic shows the clearance at the front. There it is down there. Lasham's about here somewhere, and clearing through, it's looking out the window now, quite nice. So it should be good. Ground will be a bit soft because it was quite a lot of rain on that. And temperature wise, northwesterly wind, folks, so it will feel a degree or two more cooler than it did yesterday. 7, 8 degrees seems to be the forecast that even BBC are giving, and add a bit of wind chill to that and it's going to feel a bit chilly, but nothing like sort of Sunday and Monday. Top Meteo suggesting this is sort of 11 o'clock. You're seeing cumulus. I think 3,000 feet might be a bit optimistic, and then cumulus most of the day. It's a spread out. It comes and goes, and I think this is then the frontal system you're seeing across here. This is at 2 o'clock. They're forecasting it being in the sort of Midlands, and then coming down towards us, getting to us about 5 o'clock-ish. So hopefully we're packed up by then. So yeah, flyable day, breezy from the northwest, up behind the trees, I suspect. Interesting day. Ground a bit soggy, but should get something out of it today. Airspace wise and airfield operations, well, airspace wise, fairly quiet. Number 6 is Southampton's change of hours of operation. Don't know why they keep no timing that, because it's only a sort of hour difference at night. 13, no danger area crossing service. Number 8 is UAV trials at Goodwood, which operate between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock in the morning. And they're trialing systems for detect and avoid on UAVs. And number 14 is parachuting at Sandhurst. So not an issue to us. It looks closer than it actually is, because we're there. Apart from that, quite quiet. Fairford Mats, ATZ has been activated. So fairly quiet in our area, folks. Operationally, the ground is going to be a bit soggy, but we'll see how it goes. Jordan will be out there fairly shortly, and we'll set up on the runway on 27. There's no jet movements that I know of. So hopefully see you out there fairly shortly.